This poem is by Alfred Lord Tennyson. It's called The Lady of Shalott.
Part 1.
On either side the river lie long fields of barley and of rye that clothe the walls and meet the sky, and through the field the road runs by to many towered Camelot, and up and down the people go, gazing where the lilies blow, round an island there below, the island of Shalott. Willows whiten, aspens quiver, little breezes dusk and shiver, through the wave that runs forever, by the islands in the river, flowing down to Camelot. 4 grey walls and 4 grey towers overlook a space of flowers, and the silent isle embowers the Lady of Shalott. By the margin willow veiled, slide the heavy barges trailed, by slow horses and unhailed, the shallop flittered silken sailed, skimming down to Camelot, but
Who hath seen her wave her hand, or at the casement seen her stand, or is she known
in all the lands the Lady of Shalott? Only reapers reaping early, in among the bearded barley, hear a song that echoes cheerly